Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, November the 9th. I am back to working on the A-pillar of Project Redline. What I have done here this morning is I have cleaned up all inside of here and hit it with some lacquer primer. Going to put some weld-through primer. I am about to put weld-through primer all up inside of here, and more importantly, I have made this piece right here. Took entirely too long. You wouldn't believe the number of attempts it took trying to get the bend on this thing correct. So basically, it's just going to lay in here just like you see right there. You can see that I've put plug welds all the way down through there. I'm just going to go ahead and hit the back side of it with weld-through primer, and then I'm going to get it good and tacked in place so it'll be strong, but I'm not going to fully weld it so that if I learn something later where I need to tweak something, it's not, it doesn't have 4 feet worth of welds on it. So let's get it primed and put in. Alright, so I got her welded in. You can see the new piece has been spot welded in place all the way down through there. Again, I'm not finishing the plug welds or fully welding it or anything at this point, just in case I, later come to find that what I did, isn't quite awesome with how the windshield needs to mount and seal and secure to the car and all of that good stuff. So I'm just going to leave her like it is for right now, but I wanted that done so that I could pull the roof off the car and proceed to put a new roof on. So, one of the things I damn sure got to replace are the A-pillar covers. That's an actual exterior portion of the car. These things, basically what they do is they just set down just like you see right there and, kind of finish it off. So everything I'm working on right now, this is all interior. You won't see it. That's what's going on this weekend, working on the A-pillars. Got a big announcement coming probably next weekend. I'm heading to Texas on Wednesday to pick up something super cool for the car. So keep an eye out for that. I'll be posting up a video hopefully about a week from now, and really excited. I'm not telling you what it is. You have to wait and see. Y'all have a good weekend.